Alright, so the thing that I moved was, or took off, was this thing. This is the thing for the automatic, where when you have it in gear, you can't take the key off, and it was right under here, where the ignition is. I'm not sure how well I can see, the phone's upside down. It was right under that thing right there. I don't know what this is, or this is probably for you when you have to depress the brake in order to get the gear lever moving and stuff. Yesterday I had the starter in, but I kind of just have it hanging out right now. Because I thought maybe something was wrong with the starter, maybe the connection or something. It's kind of a ghetto battery setup. I think this is the one going into the wall. I kind of just have this right under the battery. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not. And here's the fun part. Okay, these are the ones, these two right here. These are the ones needed to bypass the neutral safety switch. So, I'm gonna go try to start the car now. It's cold. Keys in. See, and it's just making this weird air channeling sound. I don't know if you can hear it. But it wouldn't start. Things still starter isn't kicking in. Kind of hear it come out of the exhaust too. It's kind of like a high-pitched sound. It's like air channeling. It's like, and again, the starter's just hanging out because it's not doing anything.